Hey everybody, just wanted to record the last video before I see you all tomorrow. So this says that we have a graph that shows a sound wave, and they want us to describe the function, and they've given us some choices here. Let me just walk through how I approach this problem. Anytime I see a periodic function, I always want to map it out first. So the midline, well, the maximum is 1, midline is max plus min divided by 2. The maximum is 1. Plus the minimum is -3. 1 plus -3 divided by 2. So this is -2 divided by 2. So that's -1. So y equals -1 is the midline. The amplitude is, remember, is max minus mid. So its maximum is 1 minus -1. Add them up. So you're at 2. And the period is start at the minimum, go up to the max, back down to the minimum. That is from 0 to 2 pi over 3. So the period is 2 pi over 3. So this much I know so far. I eliminate answer choice A because the amplitude is 2, not 3. All of these are still in. They have the right amplitude. All of these are still in because they have the right period. We know there is a vertical shift down because if you think about this, here's the regular sine graph. Starts at 0, goes to 1, down to -1. This is y equals sine of x. And here's y equals cosine of x. 1 down to -1. The problem is, right, or the interesting point is both of these graphs have a midline of y equals 0. This has a midline of y equals -1, which means we must have shifted this graph, whether it's sine or cosine, we must have shifted down by 1 unit. Only then will the midline go from y equals 0 to y equals -1. So I know that there's been a vertical shift down by 1 unit, right? Because the midline used to be at y equals 0, now it is at y equals -1. So that eliminates answer choice E, so it is either B, C, or D. And the reason I knew it was a negative cosine function is because regular cosine starts here. This is y equals cosine of x. Let me just cap this pen real quick. You get a different color out. Do this in purple. If I put a negative sign here, all that does is it takes this point and switches it here, and we have this up, down. So in other words, negative cosine starts at the minimum and goes up. Positive cosine starts at the starts at the maximum and goes down. Negative cosine starts at the minimum and goes up. Positive cosine, which is in blue, starts at the maximum and goes down. What does our graph do? Starts at the minimum and goes up. Therefore, it must be negative cosine, amplitude of 2, period of 2 pi over 3, and the vertical shift, which I already explained, down 1 unit. And that will be the last video I'll make. Other than that, I will see you all tomorrow.